The Rewrite It tool in Magic School is so cool. Let's take a look at how it works. So first, I'm on the Launch to Student side. I'm going to click the Rewrite It tool and add it to the tools that my students are going to have access to. Click Next, and now I'm going to customize it. I'm going to leave the directions as is. I'm going to paste in the text that I have that I want the students to read. And down here at the bottom, I'm going to say rewrite it so it is easier to read. This is going to be very helpful for my students that may not have English as their first language. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. So here's a student, and they're looking at this text, and maybe this text is a little difficult for them, so it's going to make it just a little bit easier for them to read. Isn't that cool? So awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about AI.